This is Learn French with Precious Adeze. Bienvenue. J'ai faim. I'm hungry. Fais attention. Be careful. J'ai froid. I'm cold. À plus tard. See you later. C'est possible. It is possible. Par ici. This way. Es-tu fou? Are you crazy? Laisse-moi voir. Let me see. Le faire. Do it again. C'est pour toi. This is for you. C'est d'accord. It's okay. Je le pense. I think so. What enough? What's up? Viens ici. Come here. Ne ris pas. Don't laugh. N'abandonne pas. Don't give up. Calme-toi. Calm down. This is Learn French with Precious Adeze. Follow for more.